Play pi barong ipeng subhai pi shikatup kubor mentaga janmin shuaban pash ki kubor ki pemnia ngini page wai ki mat bekongsan. Play bat bu mau nongrim umudi ki project kampen roy pakot nyaw hajar sans paklur hashidi Maharashtra. Menjur Kanehu Academic Council ban pentrai kam ya ke NEP araja arpau na benda kekerdan puli undergraduate. Yakhi Kanehu su bandawa weng yu technical officer senior consultant Rohit Prasad. Badang yat kijing yakren an ap ya kai point bakatu halor kijing plu ding ha police bazar ong umentri. Kikubor ki babenya Umentri rang badu kari Narendra Modi hinegasngi ula play bat bo iki mau nongrem jong ki babuntili ki project kampen roy ki bakut kumba nyaw hajar sans paklor tingka hashir di jong ka Ahmednagar district Maharashtra Modi ula play ki project haki tanat trikam kum ka kot kakya ka rel ka surok pniang bat gas hagatai ke program Umentri rang badu ula play ru ya ka namo shetkari mahasamman nidhi yojana Kaban penmentoy ya palat pravan riu lakngut kinong yo jingmentoy jong ka pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana ha Maharashtra dagba penbyang ru sa riu hajar tingka shakki manla usnam Kajingalang bakirki jong Kanehu Academic Council hinegasgi kalam menjur ban pentri kam ya ka National Education Policy araja arpau ha kekerdan puli undergraduate na kabenta ka samoy puli araja arpolai hadu araja arposaw kidkhat ha kajingalang kila ai jingmut ru halor ka jingdon kam ban penjalan ya ka samoy puli jong ki samla puli first semester na ba 4 dap ban penkre ya ki jingkli katkum ka syllabus jong ka NEP Habakren shikinong tho khubor hadin ga jingalang jong ka Academic Council u chairman ka JEC u Professor Lakon Kama ulaong bakin ya shakmat ha ka ban pentrai kam ya ka NEP na ka bu hakmat ya ka bhagamian jong ki samla puli ba ki college
which means what we can see is urgency life system is study here tomorrow your kids may come and study here particularly if you
in the interest of the student in the interest of the colleges so we have said that fine we move ahead now but from today's is we have done the post facto approval now academy we have put it on record that academic council which met on this day which is the 26th of October 2023 we have actually adopted or rather approved the implementation from this session 23-24 and that is our I would say a victory of a sort. We want an extension of the first semester which should not end in November or December. We need to give time because after all, whatever we are giving to them, they should be able to digest it and hence the teaching learning process got affected 3 months because of his fault, not our fault. Because he delayed the calling up of the emergent EC meeting. Otherwise, this could have been sorted out. We could have an exam right in the November result.
Kidukhat ka North Eastern Hill University Students Union negasngi kila pelong ya jingyaki bandawa weng yu technical officer senior consultant Rohit Prasad ubalasha kenno thukam bian ha vice chancellor u professor Prabha Shankar Shukla kate jingyaki da jingya paitba kala sedang na ka central library kalakut habar office jong vice chancellor na kaliang ki samla pule kila pertaru ya ki sur jingpenram persha ya u VC halor kate jingthungkam bian ya u Prasad
We will wait here until he came.
Director to put up this app on the Google.
Umentri katanat disaster management bakir menshilla negaski ula pentep bakatanat kalasong jingalang bat umentri rang ba ka jela hadin ka jingjia ploding kepala jia hathana road police bazar Shillong haba ajikran shakilat pathai khubor uba shilla ula pensngau halor kisin jam bala shem da ka sarkar ban pentikna baki bakum kini ki jingja kinum jeshu hakanong ba ulo ongru ba baro kitrat trekam badai khmi kilaya sami gijitat kam bat ki ei ki badai banle hadin habut henry umentri shem langam jelio habaya dei bat ka jingdo nong namar kate ga jingja ne la ka sarkar ka penbyang ne em ya ka bai lut bai ksan shekilong yeng basakta da ka baong baki jingya kren kidang ya bat ondang ap ya ka kaipot bakado
We had a cabinet meeting with the chief ministers and conduct cabinet. There we had to take a few steps in decision. but one needs to go ahead. So for this, the preparation has been prepared from all the department concerned, either from the PWD or either from disaster management or the fire station. They have shared their requirements, and then even what needs to be done for the state, that also has been proposed, directed by the Chief Minister on that meeting. So exactly now, what is the status? I don't have it with me, but the work is going on, and the preparation has been, is going on as of now.
Project Director ka DRDA Ribohoi District Uraja Brahma Hanegasngi ulabo ya umau nongrem jang ka Ribohoi Darbar Hall hanong thamai umsning Ribohoi District ya ka Ribohoi Darbar Hall ansashna hapo ka MP LED ha ka jingbo jingkhen ka bashi paulak tingka ha ka jo ka por la ong ba ka jingshna ya ka Ribohoi Darbar Hall an pendap hapo lai benai ha ka ni ka program la ya don lang ru block development officer ka umsning CNRD block ba I lingdo bat kiwe
jong ka Ribohoi Darbar Ribohoi saya ka Ribohoi League football tournament jong let ngin ya lecha di office jong ka Ribohoi Darbar.
It is a symbol of love, a symbol of development for the people of Ribohoi district as a whole. And being a senior members from the Ribohoi Darbar, we and myself PD from the district administration, on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and in coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well.
UMLA ka Jawai ba wailat Miki Shilla hene ka ski ula pelat ya ka kali kit ka Jawai Municipal Board Conservancy Truck kor pen kelas bo billing machine ha ka jingalang ka balalong ha office trikam ka JMB kimusnyang Jawai haba ai jingkren ha ka jingalang uba Shilla ula ai kublei ki officer ki bala 3 minute ban kenjo ya ka thong hadin bundali kisnam ka jingsha kentho haba ya day bat ka rukam bread jabo ha Jawai Ula ai kublei ru ya ka bot halor ka jing yok pediang ya ka khusnam jing itu lem bat arngut ki nong trei ki bala yok pediang khusnam na ka sarkar jala ha ka program Swachh Bharat Mission Urban badang shen halor ka jing shim benta jongki ha ka jing alap swachhta hi seva menta usnem
kublei yo ya ka sein ra juai ban kam jo le yang sawa muswak Uri ilat ya kejuan municipal board wo penchna ya kini rito base dan kat ni idang perchani ule na kejuan municipal board bat ngakwa kanai pi in future lada em kiwan ki wakwa wan chikmat ule ye ni kam I welcome ni ba kam man hei tai hu plik daman ko kam na ko bi na galat kamai Ketu ka chinon ko chinti ketu ka employ ka igibru.
Mentang ini pe ya ka jinglong jiman ka sui meneng haslong. Ka jingshit kalong ar 0.1 degree Celsius bat ka jingkret kalong khat ar point khandai degree Celsius. Ka jingsngam ka hau kalong nyopu khandai na ka shispa men step bat prapo san na ka shispa janmet. Kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka bamalu mala hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka. Shuaban poi syaka bakut jong katuk kubor ngene pai biang sa shi ni kimat pakangsan. Play bat bu mau nongrim umudi ki project kampen roy bakot nyo haja san spa klor hashir di Maharashtra. Menjur ka Nehu Academic Council ban pentre kam ya ka NEP arajar arthau na benta ka kerdan puli undergraduate. Yaki kene husu bandawa weng ya technical officer senior consultant Rohit Prasad. Badang ya ki jingya kren an api ka kaipot bakadu halor gajing ploding ha police bazar ong menteri. Ti parlok de kitu ki kubor ngila poisha ka bakut jo ka thuk kubor jingi menda ga jarmen hadu begini syam biang wat phila shai kasngi kublai phi baro.
Invest in the share market, earn lakhs with guaranteed returns. This limited period offer is just for you.
Snakes have cameras in their eyes.
How can you believe this nonsense?
Aren't you doing the same thing, Dad? Nobody can promise guaranteed returns in the share market. If you see any such message, mail or ad, you can be sure it's wrong. Such schemes defraud investors and are considered